Hey everyone! If you've ever wanted to build a professional website and have a smart assistant that can handle chats, calls, and even bookings for you, then you're going to love today's video because I'm going to show you how to create your own website in just minutes with Readdy, and how its built-in AI agent can literally become your first online teammate. Now, we've all seen website builders before, but Readdy takes things to the next level. Imagine this. Instead of you constantly replying to customer messages, answering the same questions over and over, or manually confirming appointments, your AI agent handles all of it in real time. It chats with visitors, answers FAQs, takes calls, books appointments, and even sends reminders. Pretty awesome, right? So, the link is available in the video description. So, the first step is really simple. You just enter your project name and click on Create. Right here, all you need to do is provide a quick prompt describing the kind of website you want to build. For example, let's say I want to create a professional e-healthcare doctor website with a clean medical design, online appointment booking, doctor profiles, and a services section. I just type that in, hit enter. And that's it. Readdy's AI gets to work. You don't need to do anything else. The AI handles the full setup for you. And within just a few moments, you'll see a complete, beautifully designed professional healthcare website ready to use. Take a look at this. It's not only clean and modern, but also looks like a high-quality professional site. And the most important part is right here. At the bottom right corner of the website, you'll see the option to talk with us, AI agent. If I click on that, the AI agent opens up and I can start chatting instantly. The agent can answer customer questions, help visitors book appointments, or even start a voice conversation.
Hi, this is Dr. Sarah Johnson Medical Practice. I'm your scheduling assistant. Is now a good time to talk? How can I assist you today?
For example, I type hi, and you can see it replies right away with a friendly greeting. Now, let's take a look at the calendar setup. On the right-hand side, you can set your schedules and availability for bookings. For example, if your clinic is closed on Sundays, you can block that day. You can also set working hours in minutes, hours, or days, decide on the minimum and maximum advance booking period, and even control the duration of each appointment slot. It's flexible and very practical. If we head over to settings, you'll see a few more powerful customization options. You can describe your business, set your preferred tone of voice, and the AI will respond accordingly to match your brand's personality. You can even change the language of your agent if your audience speaks multiple languages. Another great feature is the ability to add frequently asked questions. For example, let's say customers often ask, do you offer video consultations? You can add that question, write the answer you want, and save it. Let's add another one, like, what type of services do you provide? And enter the full list of services. Once you save these, the AI agent is now smarter and can provide instant answers when visitors ask these same questions. Now let's test it on the live website. I'll ask, what types of services do you provide? And immediately, the agent responds with the exact services I entered earlier. Next, I'll type, I want to book an appointment. The agent asks me what type of service I'd like to book. I select wellness checkup. Then it asks for my preferred date and time, so I say Wednesday at 1 p.m. The agent checks availability, confirms it, and then asks for my name and phone number. Once I provide those, my appointment is booked. And yes, you can also do this over voice mode if you prefer talking instead of typing.
Hi, this is Dr. Sarah Johnson Medical Practice. I'm your scheduling assistant. How can I assist you today?
But it doesn't stop there. On the top side, if you click on Readdy Agent, you'll see all your leads and conversations neatly summarized. It keeps records of every chat and booking made by the AI. This makes it super easy for you to review, follow up, and manage your customers. The best part? Whenever a new appointment is booked, you also receive an instant email notification with all the details, so you'll never miss a customer. And remember, Readdy isn't just about the AI agent. It also gives you a professional, mobile-friendly website with multiple tabs, pages, and design options. You can share it with others, export it to Figma, or MasterGo for further design edits, and of course, publish it online with just one click. So as you can see, Readdy doesn't just create a website, it gives you a complete AI-powered online presence available 24/7 to answer questions, take calls, and confirm bookings automatically. The link to try Readdy is available in the description below. So definitely check it out and start building your own professional website with your AI agent today. Thanks for watching.